Now we'll see that whether these characteristics or features of profession resonates with management, तभी हम बोल सकते हैं that management is a profession or not. तो अगर हम पहला very first feature देखें, well defined body of knowledge, yes, management is a well defined body of knowledge. ये तो हमने तीनों में ही पढ़ लिया, science, profession and art में, that yes, it is based on certain principles, जो कि हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. So next up is restricted entry. Restricted entry के लिए I would say it does not imply fully to management's portion, because आज भी like there are certain entrance exams. अगर आपको IIMs में जाना है or you have to go for further MBAs, management studies, management courses, so yes, there are certain management exams, but not all universities or colleges conduct that, right? So but ये अभी full fledgedly apply नहीं हुआ है restricted entry for management. Yes, so it is moving into that direction but not fully. Then comes professional associations. Yes, practicing managers can be affiliated to All India Management Association, right? But again, it is not compulsory for all the managers to be associated with this professional association of management. So ये feature भी fully apply नहीं होता है on management. Then comes ethical code of conduct and service motive. Now, ethical code of conduct, yes, all the managers need to act ethically in the best interest of their employees, but end goal ध्यान में रखते हुए, that is organizational goal, right? Ethical code of conduct हर एक चीज में define किया गया है managers के लिए भी, but again not compulsory कि एक ही way में एक ही तरीके से managers को चलना है. Managers can adapt to their own style and way of managing the team. Then comes the service motive, last one. Service motive is basically the motive of the organization, which is, you can say, profit maximization, but that again changes with time. The motive of the organization, the goal of the organization changes with time. So yes, managers are bound to certain motives of the organization. So in all, I would say that this is also, management is also something, it is not a full-fledged profession, right? So it is an inexact science, it is not a full-fledged profession, it is an art,